The 10 fastest ways to make money online. Hey, welcome back. Ever wondered how to turn your computer into a money-making machine? Curious about making quick cash without leaving your comfy chair? Well, you're in luck. Imagine making money right from your sofa with just a computer and internet. If the idea of earning extra bucks gets you intrigued, you're in the right place. So, how exactly can you make money online? Don't worry. We've got the roadmap. Get ready for a journey into the world of online money-making. Buckle up and let's explore the 10 fastest ways to turn your internet connection into a gold mine. 1. Freelance services. Upwork, Fiverr, etc. Offering your skills as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can quickly turn your expertise into cash. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or marketing guru, there's a demand for your skills online. As you build your profile and receive positive reviews, you can attract higher-paying clients. This avenue not only provides quick money, but also opens doors for long-term freelance relationships. Diversifying your services to include emerging technologies or niche skills enhances your marketability and income potential. Stay updated on industry trends and invest in upskilling to maintain a competitive edge. 2. Online surveys and reviews. Participating in online surveys or writing product reviews can be a straightforward way to make some quick bucks. Companies value consumer opinions and they're willing to pay for your feedback. While individual survey payments may seem modest, joining multiple platforms can accumulate a substantial income over time. Additionally, some companies offer product testing opportunities, allowing you to try out new items before they hit the market. Maximizing your earnings involves signing up for various survey sites, exploring exclusive high-paying surveys, and maintaining consistency in your participation. Look for opportunities to join focus groups for even higher payouts. 3. Affiliate marketing. Harness the power of affiliate marketing by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through social media, blogs, or dedicated websites. Success in affiliate marketing requires understanding your audience and strategically choosing products that align with their interests. Building trust with your audience is paramount for long-term success in this lucrative field. Explore niche markets, create in-depth product reviews, and consider negotiating higher commission rates as your influence grows. Establishing relationships with multiple affiliate programs can diversify your income streams. 4. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, consider sharing your knowledge through online tutoring platforms. Students around the world are eager to learn, and you can monetize your expertise in subjects like math, science, languages, and more. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com connect you with students seeking assistance. Tailor your tutoring hours to your schedule, making it a flexible and efficient way to earn money online. To stand out, showcase your teaching credentials, create engaging lesson plans, and leverage positive feedback from previous students to build a stellar reputation. 5. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, selling your photos on stock photography websites can be a lucrative venture. Every download earns you a royalty, and with high-quality images, the potential for passive income is substantial. Building a diverse portfolio that caters to various themes and industries increases your chances of consistent sales. Keep an eye on current trends to understand the market demand and tailor your submissions accordingly. Participating in themed photo challenges, promoting your work on social media, and offering exclusive or premium content can further boost your visibility and earnings. Consider licensing your photos for commercial use to increase revenue potential. 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. Set up an online store and explore the world of e-commerce. You can either sell your own products or delve into dropshipping, where you act as a middleman, selling products without holding inventory. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce provide user-friendly interfaces to kickstart your online store. Effective marketing strategies, such as social media promotion and search engine optimization, play a crucial role in driving traffic and boosting sales. Consider offering promotions, implementing a customer loyalty program, and continuously optimizing your website for a seamless user experience to encourage repeat business. 7. Content creation. YouTube, podcasts, blogs. Creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube, podcasts, or blogs can attract a sizable audience. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even crowdfunding from your loyal followers. Consistency and quality are key in building a loyal audience. Collaborate with other creators, stay updated on content trends, and engage with your audience to foster a thriving community. Diversify your revenue streams by exploring merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, or offering exclusive content for subscribers. 8. Virtual assistants. Businesses and entrepreneurs often seek virtual assistants to handle tasks such as email management, scheduling, and customer support. If you're organized and efficient, virtual assistants can be a quick way to earn online. Platforms like Time, Etc., and Upwork connect virtual assistants with clients. Highlight your organizational skills, attention to detail, and time management abilities to stand out in this competitive field. Consider specializing in a particular industry to demonstrate expertise and attract clients. Seeking niche assistance. 9. Online courses and webinars. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses or hosting webinars. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable provide an avenue to reach a global audience and generate income. Develop courses on topics you're passionate about and that have a demand in the market. Invest time in creating high-quality content and consider offering promotional deals to attract initial students and garner positive reviews. 10. Cryptocurrency trading. For the more adventurous, diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading can yield quick returns. However, it's essential to educate yourself and approach it with caution, as the market can be volatile. Research different cryptocurrencies, stay updated on market trends, and consider starting with a small investment. Utilize reputable trading platforms, employ risk management strategies, and diversify your crypto portfolio to navigate the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. Conclusion. So, there you have it. A whole bunch of ways to make money online. Whether you're good at something specific, like freelancing, or you want to try something like selling things online or trading cryptocurrency, the internet has loads of options. The important thing is to pick something you're good at and enjoy. And as you dive into the world of online money-making, don't forget to stay smart, be ready for changes, and keep going even when it gets a bit tricky. If you want to keep getting cool tips and updates, just hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons. Thanks for hanging out with us on this adventure into the 10 fastest ways to make money online.